Hey, what's up everybody? This is Guillermo Auto. I got a 2007 Honda Accord. I'm doing a rear view mirror replacement. It's actually pretty simple. No nuts or bolts required to take off or nothing. So here's my mirror. It's all messed up. Basically what you're going to do, get yourself a new one, of course. I got one from Honda. Here's my part number. That's the part number right there, 764 whatever. And it came like this. So if you should get a new one, it should look like this. Have a little tab like right there where it connects to the window. And then you come over here, and if you got the same style as this one, just start wiggling the mirror and start pushing down towards the windshield, and then it should pop out the back of this mount. Be careful not to hit the windshield, and be careful not to put too much strain on this mount because you don't want the mount to break from the window. See, it's the same exact one. This one's messed up. It has some weird stuff all over it. So I got my new one here, and just gonna go reverse of what we did to take it off. So we're just gonna go slide it up into this clip, and the clip will hold it tight. So line it up, and just wiggle it up into the clip. It might take a minute. I got one hand on a camera, so it's kind of hard for me, but I wiggle it in place. It'll just kind of lock in place, and then you're good to go. This is actually a decent design for what it is. It holds pretty steady and, well while driving. So yeah, that's it, guys. Hope this helps you out. You can set your mirror like this, just move it to where you got to see it, and that's it. So please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next video.